Ameren got the okay from the Illinois Commerce Commission back in early July to start building new transmission lines. They are similar to highways that carry electricity over a long distance. And these lines will go through several counties in central Illinois. Preparation and inspections are already underway. Ameren will start to clear areas to get ready for full construction in the fall. Putting in the new lines will take a few years, but the entire project should be done by 2029. The utility also plans to replace old equipment.
We're able to replace aging infrastructure with stronger, more resilient poles that are better resistant to handle weather and other mechanisms.
He adds the new lines will also support lower energy supply costs. The project, though, will cost $1.3 billion across the state. Most of that, though, we're told will not be passed on to customers because of a cost-sharing program.